we're running because Peter has to use the restroom because he drank 2 pints of beer. Hello everybody, it's me Kyle and welcome to a drizzly morning here in London. And everybody knows it's my dream to move here, but unfortunately I can't do that yet. But today I just want to go on a quick preview of what life could have been like if I had moved here. Somebody did move here though. That guy.
Hey Carl.
So this is Peter and Kat's crib right here.
This is our kitchen.
Wow, complete with a washing machine, huh? Yeah. And a dryer too, right?
Wash the dryer.
See, that's amazing. I didn't know that. I didn't know that existed.
Yeah, I didn't know that existed until I went to Japan, but
Very nice. And this came with the apartment.
yeah, everything furnished.
Is it common to have everything furnished like this?
I guess so.
Really nice.
In Sydney, we bought our own furniture,
Right.
so we're not used to this either.
Had I had moved here, this could have been my edit desk right here, right? Again, this is all about what my life could have been. Could have been the views that I would have overlooking the beautiful city. Nice, yeah, I like this. I love this window. You get to preview into the kitchen. You get to holler, "Hey, what's cooking, Kat?"
And then you can just pass food through the window.
Right, exactly. Yeah, except Kat's not cooking. It's Peter who's cooking.
Yeah.
All right. It's, I like this. I like this the longness of it. You know, narrow and long. I like this.
Yeah.
You got the Asian shoe collection.
We had to buy our own shoe rack.
How about that drawer right there?
We bought that.
Really?
Yeah, so we're taking it.
Oh, you had to. You had to buy that. Wow.
Yeah.
So you went to a store, and you picked it out. You're like, hey, you know, I'm gonna buy a cupboard.
We just did the measurements and then bought it online.
Nice. Oh, online. Oh, and it came. Nice. Yeah, very convenient. And I noticed the boost over there, right there. I noticed the boost.
Yeah.
The boost. Yeah. Gotta need the boost.
So
Yeah.
I need to wash
Yeah,
it.
you gonna need the boost. Okay.
The toilet, bathroom.
Is there only one?
There's only one toilet.
Let's see. Okay, I
So
see.
there's 2 showers. That's all.
Really?
Yeah. Second
Wow.
shower's here.
Oh, that's interesting.
Bathtub shower.
That's really interesting.
I'm gonna pack and we'll head somewhere or what?
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know the plan. Show me what my life could have been like.
You didn't tell me what you wanted me to to show you.
Show me what my life could have been like.
Can we have Vietnamese food?
Yeah? Why, you miss Vietnamese food?
Yeah.
That lamp over there, that rock lamp, is that yours?
Yeah, Kat bought it.
She bought it.
She bought so many shoes when she moved here.
Because her life is here now.
Yeah.
Your life is here now.
Yeah.
I said
But
her life. I said her life, but it's your life too.
I want to get rid of most of the stuff so that we can just move whenever we want.
Right, yeah, and move to Vietnam,
Yeah.
yeah.
Are you?
It will be sunny today, right? It hasn't been sunny in the past 4 or 5 days.
It won't be sunny today.
Oh. But it was a really sunny day the other day. How is that for a segue timeline skip? Actually, I promised Jason that I would just put him in a video wearing his 3-piece work suit, so here it is. I forgot exactly where this was, but it was the last meal before my 3-day juice fast. If you haven't seen that yet, well, be sure to check it out in the description or the annotation above after watching all of this video. Wait a minute, who is that girl? I'm terrible at telling you who people are, right? But you'll meet her in the next video. Here's some fish and chips too, and back to the present reality, which is still in the past. But it won't, maybe the rain will stop.
Yeah.
Maybe not. And now we're gonna go explore, like what normal people do, people who don't have jobs in the middle of the day.
You know, I normally stay at home. Just researching.
Yes. Well, today is different. Okay, I didn't intend for this to be a rainy weather London what to do vlog, but it's turning into that. What is there to do? Pubs. That's one way to escape the cold and the rain. Pints. This is cider. And the thing is about cider is, it's not the cider that we think of back home. When I think of cider back home, I think of apple cider. This is like the cider beer, but it's a sweeter, type of a beer. I like the sweet stuff. Peter likes the Indian pale stuff. How about cider without alcohol? I don't think there's such a thing here.
Yeah, there's. Oh, yeah, I don't know.
It's called apple juice.
Yes.
Now that the rain stopped, now what? Today we're gonna try to see if we can get some decent stuff and wear, and we're starting off here first at Wangke Mea, which is Wangke Chea, excuse me, Mea, Chea, tamarind, bamboo, same thing, you know. I'm just hungry. First thing we're gonna start off is this, a jellyfish salad with rice crackers. Is that real jellyfish, or is it like a jellyfish?
No, it's real.
Yeah, it's great. It's great. Love the seasoning. Okay, so we finished the rest of the meal, but they turned on music, so couldn't really talk much about it. The the broken rice was the pork chop was pretty good. You know, hits the spot. You know, satisfactory. But the sour soup ganchul was pretty horrendous. It was more like sour fish soup, but not ganchul, like ganka type of a thing. You guys know what I mean. If not, well, let's come try it. Still feeling relatively hungry, Peter suggested that we check out a Mexican place, well, more like a Mexican-inspired place, but nevertheless, the tacos were actually very delicious and juicy. And yes, it's not authentic, and Americans have it easy when it comes to great Mexican food. And by the way, Mexican food is my favorite food. I mean, cannot compare it to Southern California, but it's good. It's actually pretty good. Liverpool station. This could be where my train starts or ends. You know, who knows? This could be my life.
Don't work here.
What?
Don't work here.
Don't work here? Why not?
It's depressing. Look at everything.
Yeah, it's like humanity, right? Just going with the flow, you know? And Kat is here!
Hello!
But blurry, because I cannot focus.
Are you wearing Peter's jumper?
Yes. The trend in London is I come here and then I wear people's clothes. Yes, that's what I do here in London. All the train stations and walking made us even more hungry, so we checked out a place called Bird, which features Southern-style fried chicken, which is one of my favorite foods. The Roscoe's in Long Beach has some of the best chicken and waffles I've ever had, and this place did not disappoint. And this is Anthony.
Australian way is chicken salt. Right. You know the chicken salt.
You know, like Northerners here, they got this obsession with like chips and curry sauce.
Chips and curry
Everything included.
Oh, curry sauce.
Yeah.
Wait, you mean Northern Vietnamese or Northern British?
No, Northern British.
Oh.
Well, I don't know.
This is a true fact. Anthony was the first British Vietnamese person I ever met. Yep. We had Korean barbecue.
That was it. You gave me so many facts. Like,
I did?
Yeah. We were walking around and you were like, oh yeah, this place was like...
But yeah, you guys live in a great neighborhood, even though you're not going to live here anymore, which is why I'm filming where you live, because, you know, you're going to move. But this is really a nice neighborhood, I have to admit. Like, sometimes, you know, I'm trying to imagine my own life here, and you know, it's just nice. It's just a wonderful neighborhood, you know. It's just a wonderful, beautiful, you know. I wish my life was in England, you know. Maybe one day.
You've got a good.
You haven't even visited Southern California yet, so you don't know.
Well,
I mean, I got better food. I got better food.
In California, you live in everywhere.
Cooked by Mexicans.
No,
So that's why I'm saying
I'm going home, dude. I'm going home. I'm not gonna keep living, you know, in the world like this.
Yeah.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah.
Please follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. And by the time this video is up, I'm in Vietnam right now, likely, so you can see a preview of future videos if you follow me on both places. And give my Facebook a like so you don't miss out on any new videos I upload. Sometimes YouTube doesn't notify you guys, so make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. And lastly, here's Peter running to the tune of Benny Hill. You're welcome, Peter.